What we have here is our combs and smooth Doug fir. These two first pieces are combs. These two second pieces are the smooth. Typical butt joints. Anything over 16, sometimes we can get some 20s in, but anything typically over 16 feet is going to have butt joints just like this. You're going to see what the color difference is in Doug fir. It's beautiful wood, but it definitely has a lot of color variation and a lot of knots everywhere. We'll sand down the smooth, so it's going to look like this. The comb will come in and wire brush a little bit just to touch it up. There's not much we can do if it cups a little bit. You'll have a little bit of little play here, but okay, so I laid out these comb boards in the smooth Doug fir in the same way they were just a minute ago, but we put 2 coats of our 45 clear on here. Really brought out some nice color. You see the sheen. Most people these days are more after a flat or a matte, what we call a 15 sheen. It's not going to be quite as shiny.